Hey YouTube, it's Alicia and I want to show you this makeup tutorial. I decided to go on and probably pre-prep my foundation and stuff. And everything I'm using this Wet n Wild foundation in Espresso. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Primer Blur Smooth 100 as a primer, and for my loose powder you see under my eye and stuff, I have the Black Radiance True Complexion loose setting powder. So yes, so without further ado, we are going to get started. The mostly of this eyeshadow look will be coming from this palette right here by Beauty Glaze Top Beauty Star Sky 48 color, all in color. And somebody, I had posted a picture about a couple weeks back, and I did this picture and it was inspired by the character Netossa off of She-Ra. So I'm taking the lightest brown out of the Makeup Revolution and putting it in my crease. And if you don't know a little bit about the character Netossa, I'm going to brief you on her while I'm doing this makeup look. So it's mostly inspired by her. So we just need that. And so I'm going to blend that color out while I am doing it. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at the mirror. And let me give you a little brief. Netossa is part of, before she becomes part of the Royal Rebellion, Netossa, going by the original series, is the only African American character in the She-Ra franchise. So I am going to be using mostly these blues and this silver. So yeah. So the first one I'm going to take this, and I am going to take this blue, and I'm just going to sweep it like this, going this way. Bringing it in. And what you don't know about Netossa is African American. She's the only African American part of the series. And let me just tell y'all that yes, she is the only African American part of the series. And I actually like her. That's what makes I grew up. Let me just say, I grew up to She-Ra in everything. So we have that very blend in. So the next thing is we're going to come a little bit out a little bit, and we're going to take this blue. It's not going to be much, but we're just going to take the blue, and we're just going to go bringing it like this. That's all we're doing. We're going from the middle and out. Middle and out. And we're going to blend it out. Already I'm miking it. So we're going to take this, like I'm saying, this is an easy makeup look to do. We're going to take this, and we're going to take this silver. And with this silver, we're just going in where you still got a little bit left, and you just are swiping across here. But yeah, like I'm saying, Netossa is African American. She's the only African American. She is friends with Spinderella, and doing a episode of it, they come in contact with Horde and Shadow Weaver, where they kidnap Netossa, and from the original, Netossa and them just thought everybody was kind and nice, but she ended up coming to find out that everybody is not that nice. Okay, and we're almost through, so we're going to take this last blue, beautiful blue, and we're just going to tear duck it a little right in here. And then we're going to also take it back and sweep. Yep. I just wanted to give you I don't hardly do colorful looks. And this is a beautiful, colorful look. So the next thing we're going to do, if I can find it, we're going to use this and do our highlight, and we're going to be using this beautiful color. We don't want much, but just a little bit will. But yeah, there we go. And but they end up finding out that Hordak is not what he is, and when they try to make things right, because one, Netossa is the one who has a wind. Netossa's not wind. Spinderella has the wind power, and as of that, all right, and we're just going to try to finish it up. Finish the face a bit, but yeah, so that is it for the makeup. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this brush here, and we're just going to take my I've been having this a pretty long time, but it's one of my favorite. It is the Fashion Fair makeup, and this is all I'm doing right here, just warming it up down the bridge of my nose. And I love the reason I love this character. She is the only African American in the series. But yes, so I'm gonna take a very muted light blush, and this is the blush is called LA Color Rage Rouge, and it is called Happy. It's the, you know, Harley can tell she has on blush. And you're going to use this one. This one works because it is African color girl friendly. And for the lipstick, let me see if I can find it. Here we go. We're going to use Revlon Mink. You can't hardly tell she has. I just think this is a perfect color if you recreate the look. But yeah, I grew up to She-Ra and everything, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a highlight, and we're going to do Precious Petals as a highlight, and we're just going to take this. And I just want to let me hear from y'all how y'all feel, how y'all like this, and that is it. And everything, just to make sure I have everything in and blend out everywhere. Come up. And there you go. This is the beautiful look inspired by the She-Ra character Netossa. But let me, if you want a little bit more about the character from the original series, Netossa, please comment below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.